Hello and good morning everyone. In this presentation, I will discuss mechanization in mining and also new technique in mining industry. This is presented by Shivam Kumar Dubey and under the guidance of Professor Singham Jayantu. So, let's first understand mechanization through images. Here you can see fully mechanized longwall production in underground coal mining, and also in this PPT you can look about continuous miner and how does board and pillar underground coal minings look like when continuous miner runs there. Now, Now the first and very important question, what does mechanization mean? It means deployment of machines at working place from where minerals to be extracted. After visiting various sites and various websites, I came to know that mine mechanization research in following areas, among which one is identifying and applying latest technologies in coal and non-coal mines for higher productivity and safety. Now let's have a look for activities which are part of phase mechanization. The first one is seismic monitoring of mine structure in coal and non-coal mines. Also we can see that conditions of monitoring of machines, equipments and support systems deployed in mines, preparation of mining plan and mine closure plan for coal and non-coal mines, and many more are given here. So till now we understood basics of mechanization. Now let's see important achievements of mechanization. One of the best achievement of mechanization is introduction of oblique shortwall mining method for fast liquidation of standing pillars in underground coal mines in India. It was designed and implemented for the first time in India at Balrampur area of SCCL. Extraction was successfully completed in 10 shortwall panels of Balrampur mine and 4 shortwall panel in RKNT with this technology. So there is also one important project which is sponsored by CIMFR, and it was on network project of deep coal development of suitable design methodology for extraction of coal at greater depth, which is approximately greater than 300 meter for Indian geomining conditions. In next part I have covered different types of mechanization in board and pillar mining, among which third one is very important, which is continuous mining, that is mechanical cutting, loading and transport. The equipment may comprise continuous miner and shuffle cars in both development and deploying. After having this little knowledge about coal face mechanization, I tried to do a case study on mechanized mining of thin seam. I have taken this part from RD Singh because I have not found so many research paper in website, so I went with the mechanized mining of thin seam. Here I found that actually there were so many problems in mining of thin seams, such as traveling and communication, ventilation, machine designs and so on. Now let's have a look that which machines are available for thin seam mining. They are shearers, trepanner and ploughs. Actually the ploughs are most suited for working of thin seams, provided coal is soft and free from head intrusions. At last, let's have a look of how face is developed in thin seam mining. Actually face can be developed by brevity inseam header and also by Dosco dint header, but in second one greater section than required is extracted, and for that we have to backfill with debris to the required floor level, and it is consolidated with pack bind. So this, and also there are so many merits of using this mechanized tool, such as face is opened quickly compared to undercutting and fixing. Face deterioration is kept to minimum. So this was all from my side towards coal face mechanization. Thank you.